Hey there! So, we have a bit of a problem to tackle. Imagine running a simple SQL select statement with customized aliases on a MariaDB database connected through a MySQL JDBC driver in Oracle SQL Developer, only to find that the results stubbornly stick to the original column names instead of the aliases you specified. Frustrating, right? Now, let's delve into the solution. The issue stems from Oracle SQL Developer not always interpreting results accurately when connected to non-Oracle databases like MariaDB via a MySQL JDBC driver. The metadata, including column aliases, might not refresh correctly due to compatibility differences. Switching to MariaDB Connector J won't help either. Your best bet? Opt for dedicated tools like MySQL Workbench, dbeaver, or the MariaDB CLI for a smoother experience handling metadata quirks like column aliases. In summary, when faced with column alias woes in Oracle SQL Developer connected to MariaDB via a MySQL JDBC driver, remember that using alternative tools designed for MySQL MariaDB can offer a smoother experience. So, give MySQL Workbench, dbeaver, or the MariaDB CLI a try for better compatibility and correct handling of column aliases. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a witty comment below. Happy querying!